In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your keyboard larger on your Android phone. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, adjusting the size of your keyboard or font is the best way to improve typing accuracy and comfort. So whether you use the default Samsung keyboard or Gboard or anything else, you can resize it very quickly. So what you want to do is open up any application that uses the keyboard. So for this example, we're just going to go ahead and use the Notepad application. Then once it opens, I want to go ahead and find the settings wheel icon, which is going to be above the numbers 8 and 9. Go over and click that. Then from here, go ahead and find size and transparency. So just go scroll down. You're going to see size and transparency as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to say drag the handles on the sides of the keyboard to adjust its size, or move keyboard by dragging the button in the center. And then transparency settings are available with floating keyboard. So basically I can adjust the handles and make it bigger, smaller, or anything like that, and I can change the positioning of the keyboard as well. And as a result, your keyboard will now be larger, providing a bigger target for each letter as well, which is obviously going to be very useful for you. And if you're doing it for Gboard, then I'll show you as well. So if I go back, and if you switch over to your Gboard, you can do the exact same thing on that as well, but you just got to go to preferences, and then under the layout section, you're going to see keyboard height. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.